Good morning to all. I am Ankit Kumar. I am a student of BCA PPU Triple for Batch 1 final year. Firstly, thank you Raju sir to give me this opportunity. Today I explain difference between C, C++ and Java. Before explanation this topic, I explain in short term what is C, C++ and Java. C is a general purpose structure, procedure and high level programming language. It is developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. And C++ is an object-oriented programming language and general purpose and high-level programming language. It is developed by Bergen Stroups in 1979. And Java is also the object-oriented programming, class-based, static, safe, and secure. It is developed by James Gosling in 1995. Now I discuss difference between C, C++ and Java. C and C++ support pointer, but Java does not support pointer. C and C++ support union and structure data type, but Java does not support union and structure data type. In C or C++ use preprocessor directives such as hash include, hash define, hash header, but Java does not support such preprocessor directory, but use package. Now here new point, what is package? I explain in short term. Package is used to group a related class. Package helps avoiding name reflect a class. Now in C does not support construction. C does not support construction and disconstruction, but C support construction and disconstruction, but Java support only construction method. C does not support exceptional handling, and C and Java support exceptional handling. Now new point, exceptional handling. I explain in short term what is exceptional handling. Exceptional handling is one of the powerful mechanisms to handle the runtime error. Here now some point in C, mylog, kylog, freelog and relog to manage the memory, and C++ use new and delete operator to manage the memory. In Java, garbage collector used to manage the memory. C does not support overloading concept. In C++, method or operator overloading, but in Java only method overloading. C or C++ support go to statement, but Java does not support go to statement. C is widely used for drive and operating system. C++ widely used for system programming, and Java is used for develop web application, mobile application, and window application. In C, array should be declared with the size, and C++ also array should be declared with the size. Now example, int num5. Here declare size 5, but Java does not support Java without declaration size. If you have any query that find ask question. Thank you.